We're on our way to Walmart this afternoon, y'all. But first, we're stopping at Ingles. It's raining. We're going in here to get a few of their sale items and some of the stuff that Walmart doesn't have. Sissy's got the list. Manny's got the shark fin.
We need to get in there quick.
Something you might realize you forgot to do before you left the house was change your shoes. That's what I did. These strawberries look really good. We're gonna get some of those. We're getting radishes. And some peppers. I'm gonna go ahead and grab some green bananas. We got some at the house, but we'll need a few more soon. Here's the peanut butter section. If you want to grind up your own peanuts, they have honey roasted peanut butter, almond butter, natural peanut butter, and organic peanut butter. The rotisserie chicken section is my favorite because it's always warm right here. We need an original one, Sissy. Do you see original? You see barbecue, Smoky Mountain, lemon pepper, Italian, Santa Fe. Oh, I see a traditional. I think we'll get this pepperoni. We gotta get some sausage. We like this Crabapple Farms. Do you see? Or no, Crabapple Crossing. Sorry, this one. Orville's on sale, $5.98 for the 12 pack. At Walmart, it's $6.46. So, movie theater butter. Okay, we love the Skinny Pop. Oh, Sissy's going to get the Siete chips. We'll get 2 of those, Sissy. All right, we need some green beans. Let's see, we'll just go with what's on sale. Del Monte's on sale 2 for $3. What about Laura Lynn? How much is just Laura Lynn is 4 for $5, so that's going to be cheaper. Let's do pole beans right here. Oh, we need some ketchup. It's on sale for $3.48. They got a s'more set up here since summer break is about to begin. Water guns, bubbles. Oh, look at these watermelon cups. Those are cute. Okay, we found the grits. I'm gonna get those stone ground right here. We need some Nate's Hot Honey. There it is, right there. Oh, Nate's Hot Honey is expensive. We're gonna find a different hot honey. What we got? We got Mike's is on sale. Do we have any little hot honeys? Because I just need a little bit. Okay, we will skip the hot honey because it's not an absolute for the recipe. Because that's pretty expensive. I think somewhere I've seen little ones. Do you see the Tazo Passion Tea anywhere, Sissy? Here's where the passion is. They're out of it.
I guess we could try orange.
Orange peel lemon. You want to try orange?
Yeah.
Okay. What kind of coffee is on sale? Starbucks is on sale for $6.98. 8 o'clock is on sale for $7.98. Panera is not on sale right now, and it's $11.98. So I still have a little bit of that. Still waiting on it to go on sale. This Newman's Own is on sale for $5.98. I wonder how it is. We've never tried it before. We tried this coffee before. I can't remember if we tried Daybreak or Porch Light. They also have Black Moon and Twilight. This is a dark roast blend, espresso, medium roast, and then the breakfast blend. I'm gonna go with this. It's a whole bean. We'll grind them up. I know we like this, and I'm not sure about that Newman's, and it's only 10 ounce, and this is 12 ounce, so we'll go with this one. Let us know if y'all have tried the Newman's Own coffee. We need some parchment paper. I forgot to put it on my Walmart order. Does Laura Lynn got some, though? Looking for the cheaper one. We're still having to fill in with eggs, and they're cheaper here than at Walmart. We'll get those. Hey, they have some new coffee creamers. Cafe Compliments, French vanilla, hazelnut, vanilla caramel, sweet cream. I think I'm gonna try this hazelnut. We'll give it a try. Last thing, Red Baron pizzas. They're on sale here. Can't remember how much for, but they're cheaper than at Walmart right now. Oh no. Chasing it through the grocery store. Newman's Own also has pizzas. We got all the groceries put up. Now we're gonna get supper in the oven. Tonight we're making a green chili chicken casserole. So we're gonna use this rotisserie chicken. I'm just gonna get it shredded and we're gonna mix everything up in this bowl. Then we'll dump it into our pan. It's going in the oven. It's kind of like a dump and go, dump and bake. I'm watching Little House on the Prairie while I get the chicken chopped up. One of my favorite episodes. This is part 2 of that episode though that I'm watching. It's just showing what happened on part 1.
The guy named Manly said his name Manny.
Yep. Okay, chicken is ready. So we got the chicken. I'm gonna drain and rinse this can of black beans real quick. Okay, we're putting in the black beans. 1 can of Ro-Tel. This is the Great Value version, but it's diced tomatoes and green chilies. Not drained on that one. With this, we're gonna put almost this whole can. Not quite. We need about 2/3 of a cup, and this is 7 ounces, so it's almost a cup. So we'll do just about all of this can. We're gonna save what's left in here because I know Jonna will probably want to drizzle some of that over the top of his casserole. All right, we'll go ahead and mix this part, and then we're gonna chop a red bell pepper. This is smelling really good. We're gonna put about a teaspoon of ground cumin, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of chili powder, a little bit of black pepper. Okay, we'll mix all of that. I've already got this 9x13 casserole dish sprayed over here. Only a couple more things to add. We need 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt, or you can use sour cream. And we're gonna add this Fiesta blend cheese. I'm gonna save enough to go on the top, so we'll just do about that much mixed in here. Okay, we'll bring it over the pan.
Pour that in there?
And pour this in, that's right. Spread it out, and then we're gonna put the Fiesta blend cheese on top. We're gonna cover it, and it's gonna bake for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then we'll uncover it and let it bake 10 to 15 more. You're just in time to taste test. I didn't think he was gonna be home in time. Here you go. Green chili chicken casserole.
Oh, that's good. What you got in there?
Oh, this is my iced coffee. You wanna taste that too?
Fancy. Look at that. That's better than you can buy.
Mm-hmm. It's really
Did you make
good. Yeah, I made it with that. You know the instant coffee we use for the Java chip?
You use coconut and almond milk?
No, I just used
Oh, yeah, we got
some of my
some
cream, but
more
only
now.
like this much of the cream.
Daddy, we
Yeah.
got more coconut milk.
You do?
for you.
And then that's a little bit of cold foam squirted on
That's
top.
really good. I'm not a cold coffee guy, but that's good. That's the big eyes.
Yeah.
That's real good. That's really good.
He's drinking this with his, y'all. It's a 100% coconut water. It's actually a coconut, and it comes with this little thing
It's really delicious.
that you pop down in there. We get them from Ingles.